Meanwhile, Governor Greg Abbott says there's a very good possibility that the number of people testing positive for COVID-19 will likely go up post Hurricane Hanna.
You know, it's a fair prediction that you could see numbers go up.
During an interview with our Rudy Trevino, the governor explained just how the nature of everyone hunkering down together during Hurricane Hanna could foster the environment to spread the virus. He followed up that comment with the understanding that additional testing will be headed our way to continue to monitor the progression of the virus.
When we opened up the state of Texas for business, my goal was to have 30,000 Texans tested each day. Our average is more than double that, more than 60,000 people per day. We intend to increase that large number of testing to help identify people in hard-hit areas like Nueces County.
On the subject of Hurricane Hanna, Governor Abbott says the response has been immediate and will be assisting wherever needed is on the way. That assistance is needed on the way. He's expected to come to South Texas tomorrow, visiting here in Corpus Christi in the morning and heading down to the Rio Grande Valley afterward. We're going to hear more of the governor's interview with Rudy on 3 News at 6.